Hello guys, in this video we're taking a quick look at the Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 and whether it's actually worth buying in 2025. This is a compact and budget-friendly projector that delivers a sharp Full HD 1080p picture, and it even supports 4K playback, which is a nice bonus for the price. It runs on Google TV, so you get built-in streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube, along with features like Google Assistant and Chromecast, making it a true plug-and-play setup for casual home entertainment. One of the best things about this projector is how easy it is to use. Xiaomi includes smart tools like autofocus, keystone correction, and automatic screen alignment, so you don't have to spend forever adjusting the image. It's also lightweight and portable, which makes it perfect for small bedrooms, apartments, or even taking to a friend's place for movie night. That said, the biggest downside is brightness. With only 200 ISO lumens, this projector really needs a dark room to look its best. In daylight or bright spaces, the image can look washed out. Contrast and black levels are also just average, so it's not going to replace a premium home theater projector. The built-in speakers sound decent for casual viewing, but if you're serious about movies, you'll probably want external speakers or a soundbar. Connectivity is also basic, with just one HDMI port, so don't expect tons of inputs. Overall, the Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 is a solid budget option in 2025 if you want an affordable, portable smart projector, mainly for nighttime viewing. It's not a high-end cinema device, but for simple streaming and casual home use, it's definitely worth considering.